Hey traders, TG Watkins here at February 26th when I'm recording this, and I just got back from Vegas. We had the the Las Vegas Traders Expo, the money show there, and it's really kind of cool. I have a special place in my heart for that event because about a little over 5 years ago is where I met John Carter. I had my own moxietrader.com business running, and I went there to go meet some fellow traders and see if there was a business that I could join and take my trading to the next level. And that's where John and I ran into each other. And now 5 years later, here I am working with him at Simpler Trading, and we taught a class together at the Traders Expo. So talk about full circle, really kind of neat. And just got to say that it's a special thing in life when something like that happens, where somebody you kind of thought you'd never meet, and then you end up teaching right next to them. So had a really good time with that. As us kind of working together, had our slides together. It was a pretty full room. Those event centers are large, so yeah, that was kind of neat. And then while I was there, if you guys know about the Sphere, I went and checked that thing out. It was really, really pretty impressive. Expensive for the movie that I saw, but I just can't wait until I see more events starting to show up at the inside of that. Now, this is a little bit blurry, but it shows you that the gray part is the entire screen and size. So if you guys have not heard about this thing, you got to look it up because it's really pretty cool and impressive, and it's all encompassing as far as your peripheral vision and whatnot. So really, really awesome stuff. Go look up some videos and other pictures. I mean, people have been going kind of nuts about it, which is definitely appropriate. All right, as far as the market goes, it continues to be pretty interesting out there, to say the least. We've had the market, survive because of NVIDIA earnings, which has pushed up. Now it's trying to digest this move since it got a little extended. But now it's back to Bitcoin. And we have been in Bitcoin and Bitcoin miners. We took half off, actually. We took some profits right there, which I thought was very appropriate. And then we got a nice pullback, and I wasn't sure what was going to happen here. I was happy that Mara pulled back to the daily 21, and I was getting, a little bit, but we have earnings coming up. You never know what's going to happen. And then all of a sudden today, the whole area shoots up like this. So it was a little bit of a surprise, and but across the board, the cryptos are running. So basically, we just kind of want to find our way into more of this because these things are looking really, really good. And Bitcoin itself, I'll just show you GBTC. You can see it is continuing to move up at a record pace, and even up today. So there's another something that's going on. This thing just looks like it doesn't even want to stop. So if you guys are interested, trade the Bitcoin stuff, Coin, Mara, Riot, MSTR if you really want to. They are all moving. Now, some are better than others, some are stronger than others. So got to pick the right horse to run with. But overall, yeah, the Bitcoin miners and stuff are doing strong. So we've been in them, doing well, and we're going to continue to be in them going forward. So if you guys want to, make sure you come on over. We are running a $1 special for 60 days. If you guys want to come in, it was one of the things we were kind of running at the Traders Expo. So come in and check it out, see what we're all about, and then you can put on some trades with us and join this nice bullish market. So remember, $1 trial for 60 days. Come on over, talk to our customer support at simplertrading.com. Thanks, guys. See you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.